I'll discuss 3 methods in this video that can help you think of ways to make $10 in K, $20 in K, or perhaps $1 million with artificial intelligence. My 3 initiatives, which are closely tied to neural networks, were produced as a result of the numerous business ideas that these concepts inspired in me. In order to provide my audience with the most helpful knowledge, I invested a significant amount of time studying artificial intelligence, watching many YouTube videos, reading books, and investigating various methods. As I go on, I'll go into more depth and urge you to watch the entire video, because the third alternative I'll discuss is the most lucrative while simultaneously being the most straightforward, allowing everyone to utilize it. To learn about novel ways to make money with artificial intelligence in the meanwhile, subscribe to this channel and like this video. One of the most exciting and active disciplines in our day is artificial intelligence. Many facets of our life are impacted by technology, from routine activities like smartphone facial recognition to more intricate ones like autonomous vehicles and medical diagnosis. In this video, I'll not only impart to you the information I've acquired about artificial intelligence, but also lay down doable actions that will help you get started in the field and utilize it to succeed financially. I'm confident that everyone will find something useful and inspirational in this movie, regardless of their career or hobbies. For now, subscribe to this channel and like this video to be the first to hear about novel ways to make money using artificial intelligence. First method. My dear viewers, I will now discuss the simplest and most straightforward approach to make money, which will enable you to not only put your knowledge to use, but also establish yourself as a true mentor, inspiration, and teacher for others. So picture yourself as an expert in artificial intelligence who has the knowledge and abilities to transform the lives of others. You will take on the role of their tour guide across the technologically advanced world, revealing to them previously unimaginable vistas and chances. It is your responsibility to educate and motivate individuals to use artificial intelligence to their daily lives. Tell them all the inside information about this amazing technology. Show them how to utilize AI to make things simpler and improve. For this method, you need to define the artificial intelligence. Take ChatGPT as an example and take the topic marketing. Then it is necessary to study all the prompts that you can find and try marketing, so you can get practical experience and thus can teach someone who needs to simplify the work, but before you meet with you, he did not know how. Imagine how individuals would feel once they understand how your instruction has helped them become experts in artificial intelligence. They gain self-assurance in their talents, witness positive changes in their life, observe an increase in their possibilities and income, and it's a real calling, not just a job. You assist people in achieving their potential and participating fully in the digital era. And here are a few examples. 1. Develop online courses in which you impart your expertise on the application of artificial intelligence. This might be a fundamental training for newcomers or an advanced program for experts. Participants in the course will pay for access to your professional insight and individualized instruction. 2. Coaching and consulting. You can work in the field of artificial intelligence as a coach or consultant. Offer your individualized consultation services to clients, assisting them in creating plans for utilizing artificial intelligence in their ventures or initiatives. Clients will value and be prepared to pay for your professional advice and counsel. 3. Partnerships with businesses. You may work with businesses that want specialized assistance and training for their staff members using artificial intelligence. Offer them your advice, training, and events. Establish long-term agreements, and you can rely on these alliances to provide a reliable source of income. Before I tell you about this second method, I want to tell you about our Patreon, which has already collected several unique ways to make money with AI. Each of the ways comes up with my experience as a marketer and entrepreneur. If you want to learn more about our Patreon, as well as join a private community and chat to exchange ideas, go to the link that is listed in the description, and we continue. Second method. The idea of faster and smarter is thriving in the modern society. Earning potential is increased for those that put in a little time and effort to learn new technologies and comprehend contemporary concerns. They are aware that they can significantly outperform the competition by comprehending the subject and using artificial intelligence into their work. But let's not lose sight of the fact that the world of AI is just as fluid as how people feel when listening to a presentation. There are fresh opportunities, challenges, and algorithmic developments that might completely upend everything waiting around every corner. Freelancers who bravely entered the AI market have transformed into actual magicians in the field of digital transformation. Their solutions are built on charms and algorithms, and their code is a type of spell. People who work as programmers, copywriters, or personal assistants now have access to miraculous tools that may help them reach their full potential and take advantage of time. As a result, dear freelancers, when your routine feels like a tunnel of eternity, the AI intervenes like a magician with a cauldron of potions. All you have to do is don your creativity hood and set off on a virtual voyage where unexpected changes and new horizons are waiting for you. The AI has created sheets with the best spells printed on them specifically for you. Personal assistants use them to sort through the maze of duties and transform them into a virtually charming assistant, just as programmers use them to give life to their projects and copywriters use them to wow the world with their words. A new day in the realm of AI is comparable to a fresh page in a book of magic, so keep that in mind. By mastering AI, you create the road for your own magic and unlock incredible vistas of imagination and opportunity. And here are a few ways to make money as a freelancer. 1. Create original, high-quality texts, articles, blogs, and other sorts of material with the use of artificial intelligence, which may assist independent contractors. It has the ability to provide suggestions for topics, produce documents based on specified criteria, and proofread such texts for originality and grammar. 2. Translation and localization. To translate documents into many languages more quickly and precisely, freelancers with expertise in these fields can employ artificial intelligence systems. This gives them the opportunity to develop their skills and draw in additional customers. 3. Advertising campaign creation and optimization, data analysis, and trend forecasting are just a few of the tasks that may be automated by marketing freelancers using artificial intelligence. By doing so, they may work more effectively and provide their clients with greater outcomes. Third method. The third choice. Developing new services based on ChatGPT. This is how Scrooge McDuck will turn emerald green with envy over your wealth. Consider developing a ChatGPT-based service that allows people to interact with artificial intelligence. Your service would be the hub of inquiries and responses, a location where concepts converge and imagination has no limitations. Consider a cutting-edge product that employs artificial intelligence to build individualized neural networks that are catered to the distinct requirements and tastes of each consumer. By fusing the strength of artificial intelligence with the precise aims and goals of the target audience, this creative method creates a potent instrument that can cater to their individual demands and requirements. Understanding the customer's objectives, whether they are to automate repetitive processes, improve workflows, or resolve complicated issues, is the first step in the process. With this in mind, it is feasible to come up with ideas and design a unique service that addresses the issues of a particular target market. Imagine a businessman who has some kind of problem in his business, and he would be very happy to pay someone who will solve it, so let that solution is your product. Before I tell you about the basic idea, which is definitely worth learning, let me remind you that on our Patreon, where you can find different ideas to make money and which is supplemented, there are already articles about 3 levels of income through AI, after reading which you can immediately come up with several ideas, an article about digital avatars, how to create them, and where to apply, and the same article about creating preview agency for YouTube business that can start from zero. The active link to the Patreon description. Go and join the closed club. Basic idea. To do this, we will take any of the neural networks plus the problem faced by a narrow audience, thus, make a product or service that solves a specific problem, and we can earn on it. This product will process and analyze information, make informed decisions, and generate valuable insights specific to their industry, niche, or target audience. A really transformative solution will be produced by this special service, which combines the synergy of artificial intelligence with the specific requirements of each customer. It enables companies, individuals, and organizations to fully realize artificial intelligence's potential, enabling them to remain ahead of the curve and produce outstanding outcomes. Consequently, the tailored neural network service is prepared to transform the way you approach complicated tasks and propel your achievement to a new level if you're searching for a groundbreaking solution that fuses the power of artificial intelligence with the unique problems of your industry or audience. Prepare yourself to benefit from and personally experience the full potential of artificial intelligence.